Hey, what's up buddies, how you doing? This is your boy PK. Welcome to the channel PK Tech Tips, guys. So today we will be talking about, as you might know it already, the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. And everyone knows it, you too. They are going to be the monsters of the year 2019. Starting up with the body, guys, it's going to be all metal and glass body like the previous S9 and the Note 9 used to be. Simple, clean, blazing, awesome. Like not much crappy stuff to do. Clean design, glass and metal, just simple, and they will look really awesome, to be honest. Moving on to the screen, guys, it's gonna be having a 90% of body to screen ratio, which is like, I couldn't believe it. Neither anyone would when they see a phone having a 90% body to screen ratio. It's like one of the things which used to be impossible, which we used to say impossible previously, but it's now possible, and yes, Samsung has done it. It's gonna have a dual curved edges at the front with a punch hole at the right top corner containing the two dual cameras, and that's what we call, Infinity O display. The first phone to have the Infinity O display. Talking of the sensor, guys, all the sensor on the display, including the fingerprint sensor, everything are gonna be embedded beneath the display, which is gonna be pretty cool. I mean, I've seen phone doing that before, like Vivo, but seeing that on a big flagship like Samsung gonna make a big difference, Coming up to the main topic, which every one of you might be waiting for, is the camera. 6 cameras in total, guys. Just imagine 6 cameras on a smartphone. I mean, we used to imagine 3 cameras in a smartphone previously. Now we're seeing 6 in real. 4 at the back that we call 4 rear cameras, and 2 at the front. The 2 at the front will be 12 megapixel each with f2.6 aperture, and they have been done too so that the photo quality could increase and the better selfies could be taken. The 4 at the back are 4 different cameras. The first camera would be a 14 megapixel variable aperture camera. The variable aperture would be from f1.4 to f2.4. The next one's gonna be a wide angle lens camera of 16 megapixel with a field view of 123 degree. Other 2 are gonna be same 13 megapixel f2.4 aperture normal cameras, guys. So overall, those 4 cameras are gonna just crack the best images of the world. I've seen photos being took with S9, S9 Plus. They were just insane. I think this setup is like a modern day 30,000 camera, and you're getting a lot of stuff, in this phone. As this phone is gonna crack it up, I think. Yeah, it's gonna crack the camera range. People are now not gonna buy cameras, right? Rather, they would be more focusing on Samsung Galaxy for taking photos and videos. It can also shoot 4K videos at 30 frames per second. So video editors, video makers on YouTube, all the stuff could be done on this phone easily without having to spend a large amount of money just for a camera, nowadays. Talking of the processor, guys, now it's simple and clean. Every one of you know that. Snapdragon 855, and another version, that's a variant version, that is Exynos 9810. So they're gonna be real cool. As you know, Snapdragon 845, how crazy fast it was, and now we will be seeing the Snapdragon 855, the big brother. It's gonna be much faster. It would be really awesome, to see how fast they are. It will be coming with a 6 gigabit of RAM and also a 12 gigabit RAM version. That is the S10 1 terabyte version will be having 12 gigabit of RAM, guys. So there are a lot of variants of this phone, guys. We'll be showing it right now. So the S10 will have few variants. That's going to be a 128 GB 6 gigabit RAM variant. Then there's going to be a 512 gigabit storage 6 gigabit of RAM variant, then again 256 gigabit 6 gigabit RAM variant. There's also going to be a cheaper variant that is a 12 gigabit storage and 6 gigabit of RAM. That's another variant of S10. Now moving to S10 Plus variants, it's all same, just adding up to that will be a 1 terabyte 12 gigabit RAM variant, as I told you before. So yeah, that's a bigger phone, a 6.7 inch S10 Plus with 1 terabyte internal storage and 12 gigabit of RAM. Like, why do you need a PC now? Like the phones are, so are the prices, S10 128 gigabit version will be 799 euro. 512 is going to be 999 euro. The 12 gigabit cheaper variant is going to be 699 euro. S10 Plus 256 gigabit 1099 euro. 512 gigabit 1299 euro, and 1 terabyte 12 gigabit RAM version is gonna be 1499 euro. That is just watering off my eyes, Adding up to that, it will have a USB-C type, super fast charging. In 30 minutes your phone is gonna be like from 0 to 100. Yes, we have the 3.5mm audio jack, which is awesome, and also a 5G variant phone would be available in US only. Finally, ending up with that, it will be announced in the month of March, and the pre-orders shall start thereby after the announcement, guys. So that was the video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to go down, hit the like and the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos like this. This is your boy PK, guys, signing out. Peace. I don't wanna be alone.